Yeah, get char, put char, get s, put s. Concatenation also completed now. Yes. Concatenation of two strings.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Reversing of a string also completed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, reversing of a string also completed. Yeah, palindrome. I told you that the other method is once it is reversing, compare the first string and second string. Copying of the string covered. Yeah, write a program to copy.
Completed, sir.
Yeah.
Completed, but just one second explain, sir.
Okay. See this. Yeah, right. Write a program to copy one string to another string. How to copy? Just simply take the first string, second string, two strings. Read the one string and copy one string to other string. Just I will execute. Copy of the string, one string to other string. Finding length of the string completed. Program to concatenate of two strings completed. Reversing of the string completed. Right. Write a program to copy one string to other string. So see this. Take the result and take the integer value I, that is for index. Just copy one string to other string. While using the value while first string of I not equal 0 means it is not the last character. Then I plus plus means increment of first string in index. Then take the as the first index. Second, I will show this in the right. Right. Write a program. See to copy one string into another one. Copy into another string. Right? See this. Why? Let cap declaration of the string s1. It is string one of suppose 80 you take. Okay. String 2 of 50. Whatever you take 80 also. Two strings I'm taking. In one integer value I take this declaration. Printf enter a string. Read it from the keyboard. Printf enter a string. Yes, enter a string. Get s of s1. Right, reading this. The index initially it is 0. Now while s1 of I not equals to the null character, means s1 of I not equal to null character, it is not the ending. That's null character at the end of the string. Right? Now s1 of I equals to s2 of we are copying s1 into s2. Right? s2 of I equals to s1 of I plus plus. Right? Semicolon. While S1 of I not equals to null character, you copy the S1 into S2. That's it. S2 of I. Now, we are incrementing I also in that one. S2 of I not equals to index equals to null character. Sorry, equals null character. Stop the process. Right? Whenever it becomes S2 of I becomes null character, stop the processing and printf the whatever copied into the S2, display the S2, the output of the copied string is percentile s. S2, you are copying, displaying the S2, whatever you copied from S1. See this, in this program, taking S1 and S2 two strings in the variable I for index, printf entry a string. Yeah, we are reading the string 1, S1. While S1 of I not equals the null character means you continue the process until S2 of I, S1 of I plus plus into S2 of I. First character into the S2 of I, S1 of I into I. Incrementing in index value in this S1 of I plus plus. Whenever S2 of I becomes a null character, then stop and printf copied string is percent. Yes, enter a string. Hyderabad. Hyderabad, we are taking this copied string is not getting, should get S2. We need to S2 of I, S1 of I plus plus. Yes. Include get s of 1 equal to the value S1 of I. Yes, everything is perfect. Okay, I will see once again. We have taken string 1 while S1 of I equals to this program is correct. Why I am not getting? Already executed program only. S2 of I. S1 of I plus plus. Yeah, I will see once again. This is any mistake. S1, S2, string 1, string, enter a string. Let us while everything is perfect, but why? Get the same string. I will see, Bob. This is a copy how to copy the string while name of I, that's while string 1 of I not equals to the null character, then copy the s1 of I into the s2 of I. Everything is perfect. Right? Printf copy string is. Any mistake, Babu? Anywhere in this? Just enter a string, get s of string 1 while name of I s1 of I not equals to the null character. Anything wrong? Any typing mistakes? Right? Okay, we'll see once again. It's copying of the string. This is a procedure. I'm not getting the get is function. You should get whatever string we entered, it should be displayed. You are copying from S1 to S2. Okay, I will say this one once again. And we need to use string handling functions. Reversing of a string. Reversing over? Students? Reversing of the function.
Yes, sir. Python, sir.
Python, how to reverse?
Reversing string and sir. Reversing of a string.
Over. This is over. Okay. Reversing of the string also over. Next, comparison of two strings.
College, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, I will show you. Comparison of two strings. See this. Write a program to compare two strings. Write a program. See, to compare two strings. Write a program in C to compare two strings. How to compare? Take the string 1, string 2, right? Right. See, in this, take the first string. This one is to taken perfectly. What is why here? String 1 of giving 80 characters. S2 of 80 characters. That's it. Okay. Take the one variable int for the index. Enter the first string printf. Enter the first string. Yes, get s. The first s1 over. Same like printf. Reading of first string is over. Printf. Enter the second string. Right? Then same like get s of s2. Two strings we entered. We are reading two strings. Index I equals to 0. I equals to 0. Now, string 1 of I equal to string 2 of I. Whenever both are equal, comparison. While s1 of I equals to s2 of I index. Both are equal. Both should be s1 of I equals to s1 and s2 of I should not equal the null character because it should be the should not be the last character. Right? Both the conditions should be satisfied. Right? While S1 of I not equals to S2 of I, they're comparing. Then increment the I. Whenever these two conditions are satisfied, increment the I. Next. Each one character. If S1 of I equals to S2 of I, after comparison, S1 of I equal to S2 of I, then printf two strings are equal. Two strings are equal. Otherwise, not equal. Else, printf two strings are not equal. Not equal. That's it. Students, so you are reading the two strings. Two strings are equal, then display the. In this case, each S1 of I, S2 of I, the first character is compared and both are equal. And second character, second S2 of I not equal. Second string not equals null character means it is not closed. Then increment. Second S2 of I, S1 of 1, S2 of 1. Same like S1 of 2, S2 of 2, like that. Each character is compared. Right? Hyderabad given. Second string also Hyderabad given. Two strings are equal. Right? Two strings are equal. If not, if I give same different. MVSREC. MVSRSERC. MESERC. Both are not equal. Just change ER, RE. That's it. Not equal. Looking like same. First three letters are characters are same, but fourth letter is not equal. So this is the comparison of two strings. Comparison. Two strings are equal. Then display the two strings are equal. Otherwise, copy this one, students. Two strings are equal. Just read the first string, second string. Using while loop, comparing one character. In the first character in the first string is compared with the first character in the second string. Same like second character in the first string is compared with the second character in the second. If the both are condition is satisfied. That's it. Once completing process, then compare string of S1.
Sir, akkada while S1 I is equal to S2 I and better, sir. A condition పెట్టకుండా direct S2 I it is not equal to null character ఒకటి పెడతారా సార్?
ఇట్లా అసలు ఏం కంపేర్ చేసినట్టు నువ్వు? You're comparing the first character of the first string is compared with the first character of the second string. S1 of 0, that is the first character in the string 1. S2 of 0, if I equal 0 initial, first iteration. Are you getting? S1
Yes,
of
sir.
0
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. They are without compare. But second condition is to verify all the characters మనం అయిపోతే ఎగ్జిట్ అవ్వాలి లూప్ లో. ఎందుకంటే S2 of I నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు నల్ క్యారెక్టర్ మీన్స్ నల్ క్యారెక్టర్ అంటే ఏంటి, మనం స్ట్రింగ్ అయిపోయిందని చెప్పడానికి కదా. సో లాస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇన్ ద స్ట్రింగ్. నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ క్యారెక్టర్ మీన్స్ రిపీట్ ద ప్రాసెస్. వన్స్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, వన్స్ ఈక్వల్ కాకపోయినా ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతుంది. ఇది కాక ఏదైనా ఒకటి సాటిస్ఫై కాకపోయినా కండిషన్ దట్స్ వై లాజికల్ ఎండ్. రైట్? ఓకే, కాపీ దిస్ వన్. Next, so use length logic, string length, how to find string copy, string comparison, right? What functions we use without using the function. Now there are some string handling functions. There are some string handling functions you can use. Now, without using string handling functions, we use comparison of two strings, we completed. Now, string handling functions in library function. String handling using string. There are some string handling functions we use to handle the string operations. First, there are some string operations, but string length we found without using the string length function. See the syntax function and syntax and the description of that. strlen, that is string function, just like mathematical functions, input output functions, scanf, printf. There are some string handling functions in the library, right? strlen of the s1, that is the syntax and semicolon. String length function, how to find the string length? Returns the length of the string s1. It returns the length of the string. strcat is the string concatenation s1 comma s2. But how to concatenate s2 onto the end of the s1 string? అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ లో దానికి s2 అనేది సెకండ్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. నేను చెప్పాను కదా జానయ్య బొడ్డుపల్లి అని, జస్ట్ కంటిన్యూషన్. string concatenate s1 comma s2. That's it. MESREC Nadargul. If suppose s1 is MESREC, s2 is Nadargul, you concatenate after MESREC, no space, then n is Nadargul is continuation. That's s2. String reverse strrev of string 1. It converts the string to reverse. String reverse అయిపోతుంది. MESREC అంటే చెప్పాను కదా, the reversing of the string 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 5 4 3 2 1. That's it. That will be converted as the reversing of the string. String copy, we complete all this strcpy, copying of the string, all these functions s1 comma s2, copies s2 to s1. String s2 will be copied into s1. String copy of s1 comma. String comparison, you already all these 5 executed already. Comparison of string s1 comma s2. If returns the 0 if s1 equal to s2. Yes, it returns the less than 0, that's negative value if s1 less than s2. Returns are greater than 0 if s1 greater than s2. This is all 5. We already executed the programs for each without using library functions. Now strlwr, lowercase, it converts the string to lowercase. str upper, that's upr, that is it s1, that's converts the string to uppercase. See, one by one. String length, strlen of the s1, the length of the string can be calculated using the string length library function. The function counts and returns the number of characters in the function in a string. The function counts and returns the number of characters in a string. Example, a equal to strlen of yes. The string name is yes. So a is an integer variable. It receives the length of the string and counting at the end of the first null character. Right? Ends the first null. Whenever first null character encounters, it stops and displays the number of characters in the string. Right? See the example program. Program to calculate the length of the string using library functions. See this one by one. Already executed the morning session for the IT students. See this one by one. Yeah. Write a program to find the length of the string using string length function. strlen is a function, library function. That's why I use the string.h. stdio.h we use for the scanf printf function. Compile can recognize the scanf printf functions, right? GetS, puts, all these for the we use the conio.h. Next, see this, how to calculate the length of the string. One string I am taking, char, str is the name of the string. The maximum size is 80. Integer len is the variable len is to calculate the length of the string. Printf, enter a string, getS, str, then read the string value, string. Then len equal to string length of the function. strlen is the string, strlen of the function is the library function which counts the number of characters in the string. Yes, here. Then after counting the number of characters, display the variable len. That's using that. The length of the string is %d because you need to take %d because it is integer value. Let's see this. Any doubt in this, Babu? The small program, simple program. You're taking the string, reading the string, we're taking the string from the keyboard, then counting the number of characters using the library function string length. Let's see. MBSREC. How many characters? Huh? MVSR Engineering College. How many characters, Babu? Sorry. Execution jail. MVSR Engineering College. How many? 4 plus 5, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 plus 7. How many? 24? Yes, 24. The length of the string is 24, including white spaces, 2 white spaces. Understood, students? Just using library functions. Without library functions are we used. Without library functions, taken while loop and take index. Right? We counted I plus plus every time we displayed the I. You see that program. Previous class, how to on Tuesday I explained how to count the number of characters in a string without using library functions. But it's very easy if you use the library function strlen of that string. That's it. Okay. Any doubt in this? Students?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yeah, finding of string. Very simple programs. I need to close this second unit today. Right? Next, str concatenation. See, strcat of s1 comma s2, concatenation of 2 strings. Right? Str of string. See this. How to concatenate those 2 strings. By concatenation, we mean to add 2 or more strings and place them in the first string only. See, string strcat s1 comma s2 mean concatenate s1 తర్వాత s1 string తర్వాత s2 ని append చేసేసి will store in that s1 only and display s1. That's it. The function strcat of s1 comma s2 will append the string s2 to the string s1. This is done by removing the null character at the end of the s1. This is done by removing the null character at the end of the s1 and placing s2 from there. That's it. The string value s2 remains unchanged. Right? The string value s2 remains unchanged. See this example. Example n1 equal to Ram. n1 equals to Ram. n2 equals to Vihar. Right? strcat n1 comma s2 will give the output n1 equal Ram Vihan. Right? It is also possible to have the nesting of the string concatenation inside that thing. One more string. It joins all the 3 strings together and result will be stored in the s1 only. First one. I will show this. I will show in this concatenation of 2 strings. See to the students. First, you take 2 strings. Concatenating string 1 and string 2. Concatenating string 1 and string 2. Forget about the string 3. Yes. See this. Yes. Enter. MVSREC. The string 1 is MVSREC. String 2 is Nadargul. MVSR is the string 1, Nadargul is string 2. The concatenation is a C tarvata immediate ga a last character, null character remove chesesi ఇది యాడ్ అయిపోతుంది. Yes, MVSREC Nadargul. That's it. Continuation. This is concatenation of 2 strings. Right? If you want to execute one more. Right? Ram is the one. Rahim, one more string. Ram Rahim, that's it. As a single character. That is stored in the first string only. Understood? If you want to add two or more, one more string, third string, enter the third string and read it. Then strcat of. Again, already this is concatenated. str of 3 ni దీనికి concatenate చేసింది. Right? Now same. అది కూడా string 1 లోనే ఉంటుంది. మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ string లోనే. Right? Enter the first string. Ram. Second string. Rahim, the second string. Enter third string. Robert. Right? Ram, Rahim, Robert. Third string is Robert. Yes. Ram, Rahim, Robert is a single string stored in the S1 string 1 only. The concatenation is nesting of concatenation. The string concatenation. We nested the string. If you want to take the one more string also, right? If I give, instead of writing strcat, I have not taken string 4. What should I do? This is for this. This is for this. Comma, double quotes. HYD. See this. When I'm taking the string 3 strings from I'm taking from the keyboard. Other string is 4 string is HYD. I'm giving directly. Yeah. Same like Ram, the first string. Rahim, the second string. Robert, third string. Only 3 strings were taken from the keyboard. HYD also added, appended to that. And the nesting of the Sushara, Ram, Rahim, Robert, and HYD is also there. HYD not taken from the keyboard, but you have taken directly. See the HYD you have taken directly. Any doubt in the students? Yes, Niraj. Any doubt?
No, sir.
ఎలా యాడ్ చేయాలి concatenation of the strings? Understood? Only 33 students joined. What happened others? Right? This is the concatenation of strings. Okay, this is it. Next, third one. You already executed without using library functions. Then concatenation is over. String concatenation. Next, reversing of the string. ఇది ఒకటి ఫంక్షన్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతలేదు మనకి. రివర్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ కంపైలర్ రికగ్నైజ్ చేస్తలేదు. ఈ ఏదైతే మనం వాడుతున్నామో ఇది ఒక్కటి మీరు string reverse. We are not getting in blue color. String reverse function. We are not getting in blue color. That's why it's, see this. Take the string 1, read from the keyboard, string, then copy the string from string copy. strcpy is copying. String copy from string 1 to string 2. Right? How to copy? Source to destination. String 1 to string 2. String copy from string 1 to string 2. This is source. This is destination. Second నుంచి ఫస్ట్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. String reverse. This comparison 0. Palindrome also it shows. String reverse function execute కావట్లేదు ఇందులో. మనం ఆఫ్లైన్ ల్యాబ్స్ లో మనం I will show the execution. Otherwise use the code block or any C coding compilers to use and execute it. Okay, students, this is string copy and string reversing. Next, the string copy. Once again, one more example. String 1, string 2. I will take this one S2 simply. It's 1. String 2. Print entry as string 1. String 1. We're copying string 1 into string 2, displaying that string 2. String 2 will be, we are reading the string into S1, copying S1 into S2. Option output to string 1 is into string 2. If you display that string 1, not string, display the string 2, we copied string 1 into string 2. That's it. Just enter string 1. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1. That's a string I'm taking. Same thing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1 is a string copied into string 2. We are taking a string 1, enter a string to copy. That is the string 1 we are taking, but we are displaying the string 2. Whatever you have taken and copied into that string 2. String 1 to string 2. If you want to display the both, you get the both same. Both are same. Yes. MVSREC is the string we are taking into the string 1. It is copied into the string 2 and display both. Both are MVSREC. Understood, students? strcpy of the destination of the string 2. This is destination. S2 is the destination. Instead of you write DEST. Destination means this is source. Source means source to destination. We take here. S2 is the DEST. Source to destination. Right here, you read the source. Right, reading the source, you're copying source to destination. Source, this is destination. See this. Source to destination means you're taking the source from the keyboard, and destination means the copied text. Yes, same way. Whatever we copied, we are taking the same. It will be same thing will be copied into the destination. You take whatever. So string 1, string 2 are source to destination. Okay, understood, students? Yes. Any doubt in this? Using the library function strcpy is the string copy library function. Okay. Any doubt? Yeah. Next. Comparison of strings. We already done without string comparison. Compare two strings. This one. But this is comparison with using the while loop. Without using the library function, use a while loop, compare this one. Just now I executed this today's class. String 1 of S1 of 0, string, like same like you use this comparison of using the library function strcmp. That is the string comparison library function. Right? String S1, string 1, string 2. In the ABC3 values are making, that's string 1, string 2, right? Take that string 1 is compared with the, some text, Mamata. Again, string 1 is compared with the string 2 here, right? Again, string 2 is compared with that MVSR. Condition is integer value. It displays ABC values. A equal to percent, integer value, ABC. If both are equal, S1 and Mamata, that displays 0. If the two strings are equal, 0. Less than negative value. This other string is greater than positive value. See this. Yeah. Enter Mamata only. This is Mamata. The first string is Mamata. Second string is MVSR. The third C equal to string comparison of S2 with the MVSR. A equal to string comparison S1 with Mamata. So that's why I have taken first and C. A and C, the value will be 0 because both are equal. But S1 and S2 both are not equal. Because S1 is MATA, S2 is MVSR. Which one is greater? It gets positive value. Positive value. Because S1 is greater than S2. That's why it is positive value. If you take reverse, or you take the less instead of, if you take SREC 6, compare this, you give this MVSREC. What will you get? Got same value, not equal. Okay, understood, students? Just comparing using the string strcmp function, using that. If both are equal, display that both are equal. Also use that using string comparison function. Also you can execute that string comparison. You can use that function also, right? String copy, string comparison, right? Last one. Yeah, how to compare string 1 and string 2. See this. String comparison, one more program. String 1 of 80, string 2 of 60 characters. I'm reading the two strings from the keyboard. Printf, enter the string, first string, gets string 1. Printf, enter the second string, gets the str of string of 2. If string 1, string compare, strcmp, string 1 comma string 2 equal to 0 means both are equal. Whenever you are comparing, equals to 0 means both are equal. Printf, two strings are equal. Else, printf, two strings are not equal. Right? First string MVSREC, second string MVSREC. Both are equal. Right? Understood? First string MVSREC, second string MVSERC. Looking like same, but SRE is not equal. Both the strings are, two strings are not equal. This is comparison using the string comparison library function. Right? What is the last one? Copying this two others. I explained this one already. Completed all the last one. Last two are there. String reversing, using the string reversing function is not executed. We'll see other compiler. Right? Okay. Next, string copy also completed. Yeah, what's the time? 10 minutes is there. I will show the execution. Comparison also two strings is over. Now uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase. Two more functions are there, right? Reversing of the string using strrev of that string. String copy also over. String comparison is over. This comparison of two strings. Yeah, last but one. This is string LWR, lower, str LWR. This is used to convert the string to lowercase letters. The statement str LWR of S1 will convert the uppercase characters to lowercase characters. Example, S1 equal to, I am giving Suraj, SURAJ, capital letters. The string is SURAJ. Then exactly the function, the resulting string is S1 is small Suraj, small letter Suraj. If you take the capital letter Suraj, convert it to small letters, right? Then same like strupr, that's uppercase. This function is to convert the string into uppercase letters. The statement strupr S1 will convert the lowercase characters to uppercase characters. Same like to take the if Suraj, S1 is small letter Suraj, then upon executing the function, the resultant string in S1 is capital letter Suraj. How to convert this switch? Can I show these two? This is the last topic, last program. These two are in. I'll execute these two. Uppercase, lowercase. Otherwise, I will convert this one only. What is wrong? take the first character. Yeah, otherwise you take, it's better. Write a program in C. Convert a string to lowercase letters. Dash include string dot h. Okay. Yeah, take the first char. Yes, some string. Take the 80, whatever. Taking the string 80. Printf. Enter the string. Enter a string. Get s of. Yes, that's it. The string name is yes. Now, how to convert? Right? str of LWR. Lowercase SWR. Yes. So that. Yeah. Otherwise, you write it this in the, simply in the printf only. Printf. String in lowercase equals to percentile s. That's it. Exclamation, comma. You write the function here only. String LWR of s. That's it. Very simple. Taking reading from keyboard, enter a string. That's it. Converting. But this would work out at least. This is looking like in. Okay. You are getting the same. Return one exit status anything. Yeah. Same. LWR same like uppercase. These two are not. I think the compiler out level. I will show in other compiler if possible. Include CON. Void main function. Same like string reverse. So not getting this one. str LWR. Right? str LWR also not working. Okay, Bob, same. These two are also not getting the same. str uppercase letter also same like convert the small case letters into uppercase letters. I'll show if possible in other compiler both. Okay. This is about the strings, characterization strings. Okay, right? Right. Enter the attendance and parallelly into the chat box.